Assalamualaikum. My name is Arish Asif Khan, and today we are going to be exploring impulse and change in momentum, the key concepts from Newton's second law in physics. Newton's second law and momentum. His second law links net force to momentum change over time. The net force is equal to delta P, which is known as change in momentum, divided by delta T, which is change in time. This leads to the impulse momentum relationship. Net force multiplied by delta time is equal to delta P. Defining impulse. Impulse is force multiplied by the time it acts. It is a vector quantity and its direction matches the applied force. SI unit is Newton second or NS, identical to momentum's unit, which is kg meter per second. Impulse in action with a cricket example. Let's consider a batsman hitting a cricket ball. The initial force will be small, but the force will increase sharply upon impact for milliseconds. It will then drop to zero as the ball will depart. Now let's talk about the challenges in measuring force and time. Precise force and time measurements are challenging, and it provides a practical alternative for analysis. The impulse momentum theorem. This theorem simplifies collision analysis. Analyzing momentum, measuring momentum before and after interaction, the change in momentum reveals the impulse. J is equal to delta P. Takeaways we learned from this topic: the impulse is the product of force and time interval, and the impulse momentum theorem states that impulse is equal to the change in momentum. And we learned that it is used for analyzing complex collisions. I hope you liked my lecture. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for new lectures. Thank you.